that are out there right now, because then those cars are like, well, they went through, I'll be able to go through. And then maybe if there's waves, it's higher and your car can't handle it.
Yeah.
Here's a live look outside right now as the concern over flash flooding continues at this hour.
And Sean, you're also tracking traffic issues.
Well, we've got a big one here on I-65, and it's been that way for several hours. So, and we've got one on 70 as well. So, I want to show you the traffic flow map, and I also have radar with it, just to let you know that the heaviest is coming to an end here. 70 westbound coming out of Richmond. There's an issue, and then a lot of this is just going to be volume that's across the metro. This is not volume. This is an accident. 65 northbound coming into Lebanon here. This is a crash from earlier, and just 5 minutes ago, they actually had this lane open. It looks like they have that closed now. You can see they're cleaning up. That's the northbound that you're seeing. You can see all of the backup traffic here. So just a heads up there. All right, heads up too that we've got more storms ahead. Doesn't mean it's going to rain and storm all day, every day. Timing will vary each day, like you've seen the last couple, what can happen. This will be for Thursday, and I'm afraid to say Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Each one of those days, we could have storms with flash flooding rainfall, some that may have some wind damage, and potentially, depending on how it all evolves, perhaps a few tornadoes as well. You need to be monitoring our forecast and be prepared if you're in those flood-prone areas to get to higher ground. Now, speaking of flood, right now, this is what's left over of the flash flood warnings. The counties that are shaded in black are flash flood emergencies. Delaware has, it's still bad, but they have dropped the tag from catastrophic to considerable, okay? Henry County was dropped from the flash flood emergency, but still flash flood warnings. It's still a very bad situation due to this right here. 8 to 12 inch rain footprint there. Radar at this hour, and you can see the rain that's now beginning to depart from the metro. We may occasionally have some rumbles of thunder. Earlier this evening, unfortunately, we did have in Knox County, we had a confirmed tornado. That's all moving south. That's moving out and away from us here. This is what's left behind. We're actually going to start to quiet things down here for the evening. What we're going to watch, there's all kinds of moisture. What we're going to be watching later this evening into tomorrow morning, potential for some more storms popping up. And then as we get into tomorrow, we'll be watching this. And we don't want to see this, but another potential storm cluster coming in tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then again, as we go into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the atmosphere is going to be loaded with moisture, and we can see potential for some more heavy thunderstorms. Middle part of next week might get a little quieter, but you're going to have to stay weather aware each day into the weekend.